Hey guys, so I just got back from thrifting and I actually haven't been thrifting in a long time. So I'm going to take you guys with me while I walk around the store and see some of the cool things that they have. And then at the end, I'll let you guys know if I thought this was a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And then you guys can let me know in the comments if it was a thumbs up and thumbs down. All right, come on. Okay, we're on our way. We're thrifting. Yo, yo, yo. All right, it's our first GoodWill stop. I mean, thrifting stop. It is a mess. You have to find the gems, the hidden gems. I guess there are some. Don't touch it. Put it down. Please don't touch it. I
found the gems.
Wow. I think you could find stuff like that for like parties, like in glass.
We had one of those.
The little small ones. They have a lot of like glassware, and you can do really interesting things with this. Like this part over here, you can spray paint this silver or gold.
Mommy, come on, let's go get a card.
I think you're going to get a card. I found it over here.
I'm gonna pet the dog. I wanna pet the dog.
You want it? You can have it.
That's wow.
You boys are touching. Yeah, I don't like it. No touching. Oh, nice.
When in doubt, always think of bluegrass when you stretch out.
Yeah. Find the hidden gems with my mom. For mommy. I said hidden gems. I'm trying to see if they got any like button down shirts. But I need like real big ones though. I need like a 2X, 3X, 4X. I don't see no real big stuff.
What color is it?
You all done? I think I really can't.
Okay, so this is what I ended up getting. A cauldron. And I'm going to use it for like burning my sage, and when I do like Bailey spells, and when I do my full moon rituals, I'm going to use this to burn my paper in. Yep. So this was $3 and it was half off today. I think Saturdays is half off, so I paid $1.50 for it. Actually, my mom got it for me, so she paid $1.50 for it. So yeah, so I think I made out well. And this is real silver too. I just gotta get some silver polish to clean it, but it's real silver. Pretty cute. But, so overall, I give this store a thumb down when it comes to selection, clothing, accessories. They had pretty good accessories, but as far as clothing and houseware stuff, they didn't have a lot of furniture. So I give it a thumbs down just because of that. Thumbs up because I found this baby. Yeah, so that's it. Make sure you guys follow me if you're not already subscribed to my channel. And I will check you guys in my next video.